Welcome to part 5 of our 6-part Essential Oils 101 series. Essential oils can transform your mood and elevate your wellness. In this video, we'll explore how oils like lavender, citrus, and eucalyptus can help with stress relief, better sleep, and even increased focus. Imagine starting your day with a burst of citrus for energy or winding down with lavender for relaxation. Pair your oils with daily rituals for maximum impact, add them to your diffuser, or try a calming massage blend. Imagine starting your day with a burst of citrus essential oil. Scents like lemon, orange, or grapefruit can invigorate your senses and help you feel energized and focused. Add a few drops to your diffuser in the morning while you sip your coffee or journal. The bright and zesty aroma fills your space, lifting your mood and mentally preparing you for the day ahead. For an extra boost, try pairing citrus oils with peppermint for a refreshing and powerful combination. Then, as your day winds down, lavender essential oil steps in to create a sense of calm and relaxation. Diffuse it in your bedroom about 30 minutes before bedtime to promote restful sleep. Pair it with a nightly ritual like reading a book or meditating to fully relax your mind and body. You can even create a simple pillow spray by combining lavender oil, distilled water, and a touch of witch hazel in a small spray bottle. Spritz it lightly on your pillow for an added layer of tranquility. For even deeper relaxation, try a calming lavender massage blend. Mix a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil like sweet almond or jojoba, and gently massage it onto your temples, wrists, or the soles of your feet. The combination of the soothing scent and physical touch creates a full-body experience, helping you let go of any tension. By incorporating these small yet powerful rituals into your daily routine, you can transform your mornings and evenings into moments of self-care and renewal. Citrus oils to energize, lavender to relax. It's all about finding balance and taking a little time for yourself. Bring balance to your life with essential oils. Check out the other videos in our series for more great tips. Comment below with how you use oils for wellness, and be sure to subscribe for more inspiration.